Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the Headball 2 game. So let's get started right away. Now first of all, open up the Headball 2 game on your device, and considering that you have already been logged into your account, you will be within your home page from which you can start playing any game that you wish. If you tap on the drop down button at the top right corner, you will see the gear icon. Tap on this button and now tap on My Account. Now, if you have not already connected your Facebook account, then you will need to tap on the connect button and then log in to your account that you wish to delete. You can then tap on the delete account button from this menu and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete your account. Tap on the confirm button and this will proceed with deleting your account and all of its progress from within the Headball 2 game. And once you delete your progress, you will not be able to recover them anymore. And if you log back in using the same method, you will have to start the game all the way from the beginning. And there you have it. That is how you can delete your account on the Headball 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.